What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we have some really important news about Doge. Don't mind the shadow in the background for my screen. It's being weird. But we have some really huge news about Doge, and we've seen that Doge really push today. But before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description if you want to join as a channel member, or if you want to, join the Discord group. That does help out as well. But we all know that we are waiting for one thing when it comes to Doge. We're waiting for it to be added to Coinbase. You see here, Coinbase preps Dogecoin listing. We need to get this on Coinbase because this is where people are looking to hold it and not buying on something like Robinhood or Webull, because if you buy it on Robinhood or Webull, then you don't technically own it. Robinhood or Webull owns it, and we would like to be able to own it. So we're looking to buy this thing on Coinbase. So we're waiting for this huge catalyst. As soon as you get this catalyst, the price of Doge should be over $1. It'll probably be over $1 before then. Now we have the news out there saying that they're prepping, but it's not anything saying that they added it to Coinbase. So let's go through some of this news a little bit, and then we can go through the price movement as well. So Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said Thursday on the earnings call that cryptocurrency company prepares to list Dogecoin on their platform, which is really, really good. Obviously, just hearing any type of news like that, it's great to be able to see that. They did go about saying that it was a joke. They always like to put that out there, that it was a joke. I feel like this is something that we should just, throw away. Yes, it was a joke. We understand it was made as a joke, and now it's starting to actually get adopted as something serious. So let's leave that alone. There have been a number of cryptocurrencies out there that are created as actual jokes. But this is huge, right? This is a really big cryptocurrency that could be even bigger. I understand that there is a cap to it. It's not going to be something like Ethereum or, Bitcoin. It's not, because of the market cap. It physically can't be, but it is going to be pretty dang huge. So we can see here from this tweet, basically talking about the voting and how the first most voted topic was about adding Dogecoin. So that's huge to be able to see that everybody cares about Dogecoin. And I think that's the main topic right now. Obviously, you understand what earnings could be, all of this other stuff, but we need to know what's going to happen with Dogecoin because it's the most popular crypto as of right now. Everybody's looking to buy into it. Everybody's looking to see what happened to it. You have Graham Stephan that bought into it. You have myself that's buying into it. You have the Dogecoin millionaire that's not selling, that actually believes in Dogecoin. I just seen an article about him. He's a Dogecoin millionaire and he's not selling. He's obviously believing in the company, believing in that crypto. So here is the news that you wanted to see here. So they basically said we plan to list Doge in the next 6 to 8 weeks. I feel like that's still long. That's still a long time for that to happen. I feel like they're just giving a longer date, and then they're probably going to do it sooner. I hope that's the case because 6 to 8 weeks is a long time. Not saying all this could die over or whatever the term is, but it can basically lose a lot of momentum without, that. You do have people that are really pushing it, so it might not lose a lot of momentum, but I want to see it now so that I can get this money and put it over on Coinbase and have all of my crypto over on Coinbase besides any of the lower ones that I have in some of my other wallets. So that's really what I wanted to talk to you about. I mean, it's a huge catalyst that obviously, drove up the price, but that's really what I wanted to talk to you about here. So let's look at exactly what Dogecoin is doing here. Let's go into crypto. Let's see what Dogecoin did today. Now you could see that it did increase quite a bit over the 13th. We've seen that jump, but then once we got into about the 14th, we've seen that jump as well. Now it did start to come back after it hit 56 cents, but then started to climb. Now I called this yesterday. I was talking about this yesterday. I made a video talking about how we're going to see Dogecoin actually climb, and it climbed. And a bunch of people in the comments were like, yeah, you called it. You put this video out just in time. And I actually recorded the video 3 hours prior to when it came out. So I knew that we were going to see something big either, the rest of this week or the weekend for Dogecoin. Now we did see that increase again up to, like I said, 57 cents. Did fall back down to about 50, 51 cents and then started to increase again all the way up to 59 cents, close to 60. That's a pretty big move, pretty big move there. And I was really excited about that. Now it is coming back as it's starting to settle, starting to, pull back just a little bit, which is a healthy pullback. We understand why it would do that. And now we're just hoping for that large move back up to that 70 mark, so that it can stay flat at 70. And we understand that that will be where, that bottom will be before it jumps to $1. That's what we're hoping for. You don't really see it down to, the under $30 or under 30 cent level like you did in the past. You start to see these consolidate at higher and higher levels. So we're just hoping that it consolidates somewhere around maybe 70 to 60 as the floor, and then it increases to $1, shows that as the peak. So let me know what you think about Dogecoin, where you think it's going to go. What do you think it's going to be? Are you going to invest more into it? Should I invest more into it? Let me know your overall opinion, because it is obviously a big deal. So that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description. It does help the channel out a ton. And if you want to join as a member, you can join as a member. Hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, and the Discord group as well. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other channels and follow me on my social medias, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all of those. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.